cause problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenyeng anthem. No girl can't see.
This rice actually tastes way better than when I cook it in the rice cooker. Thank God.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father.
You know, so back with another video as would I say, another day, another dollar out here. They are doing it like every day. You see me? So remember, we're telling you reaction time, people. You see me? Reaction time. Kitchen reaction bar. Now, if you don't know about Shenseea, you know say Shenseea come from far people. You see me? More high school. I usually work at more high school. Prepare food for Shenseea people. Jerk chicken. First time she perform at more high school people. And she love it. I hope she remember. You see me? So, we are going to our video now, people.
Today I'm going to be cooking stewed chicken with white rice. I love stewed chicken because 1, I love gravy, and 2, it's like the easiest thing I can cook with gravy because we know the oxtail and stew peas and cow foot and all that have a lot of gravy too, but it's not fast like stewed chicken or curry chicken. But today I can't do with a curry on my teeth, so I'm just gonna do it some stewed chicken. And I love food with a lot of ketchup and a lot of pepper, and with stewed both. So stewed chicken is my specialty today. It's been a while since I've cooked rice in just a pot with the fire underneath it. Because normally, you know, modern days we have rice cooker, so that's what I.
Yeah, most people use rice cooker nowadays. Not everybody know what is a rice cooker. Shenyeng. So most people use the pot rice cooker, make the rice cook faster. All we do, put the rice in it's a pot same way, but you plug it in. Yeah, it shows the exact amount of water to the rice. And you just plug it in, you just go about your business, you merry way and do your thing. Come back, rice done cook. Simple, easy and fast. 2020.
I normally use now. So when I put the rice in the pot, I don't have to look back at it. We shall do it today. After years upon years. We shall do it today. After years upon years. Since I did it the last time. Well, I am starting with my chicken. I cleaned it up just now. So I normally cut it up in really small pieces. So that's what I'm about to do right now. And put on the browning and the Maggi season up. Chicken seasoning. Yeah. I can't eat chicken like this anymore. I don't know why, but it just offers small. I'm not really a person that loves to try new things. I'm afraid, especially if you spend my money. So, I'm about to season it, and this is Maggi season up chicken season. I use the powder seasoning first, rub it up in it, in all the creases and inside the bones and stuff. I just like to make sure that everything is perfect, and I cook with a lot of love. You know, when you're in love, you cannot rush.
Yeah. We always have a debate about that people with other chefs who work with. People, if you come and work one day and you don't feel vibes, their food not ready. So the key ingredients to all cooking is love. Key ingredients, people. So Shenseea have that right there. So without love, the food not ready.
Can't put too much browning because you know we get a bit tough. So I time myself. Yeah, nah.
guys, talk truth, you know. Look how Shenseea angle the knife like a real pro. Feel like she have some knife, do some knife technique skill. She angle the knife like a real pro. She hold the knife the right way. She cut it the right way. Not like there's a right or a wrong way. You see me? But anyways.
I love it. Time, love, love, love time. Rub it all in. I don't like a lot of time sticks though, so sometimes I do it like this. Take off the leaves itself. It's better. I like to cook with potatoes because when it's time for marinating, it gives the gravy a lot of body. Time to put it on the stove. Put it on low. No, 2. So little water can come out quicker. Add a little salt. Add a little butter. Right now we have the pot for hot liquor more. Take out the water drops. Come on, I want to add proper one kitchen. One up here. Yeah, them some, yeah. Jesus. Ooh. I don't like to cook with a lot of oil either. Flush up the oil of my time. I don't wait till the oil normally extra hot. I wait till it's practically warm because when it's too hot it burns up the seasoning and all that, and I don't like the taste of that. So we're gonna add a little bit of water. I do it in the same pan because you know I add the chicken seasoning so it still have like a broth.
Alright. We notice one thing with all people when I'm a seasoning meat, it's like everybody will know so far different from people who actually, how would I put this way? Alright. In a commercial kitchen, we don't really cut up the season and put it on the meat. We blend the season, pour it on the meat, and like the Irish, cut it and put it in a separate pan. But remember, at the end of the video, people, comment down below, rate Shenseea 1 out of 10. Rate our cooking 1 out of 10, people. I want to think about Shenseea.
So by the time it's finished, then these should be as nice like it's on its way. That part is cooked. Oh, I like this rice. It tastes fluffy. Yes, it's cooked. I'm very pleased. And let me see this one. This one is bubbling. Gravy, good up, gravy. Very tasty. Very flavorful. Yes, I credit myself. Gravy is on point. Rice is soft. I'm gonna taste the Irish and carrot. They actually cook as well. So enjoy. Thank you guys for letting me teach.
Yeah, so guys, we have Shenseea. Wanna think so far, people? Remember, rate our dish. Comment down below, rate our dish 1 out of 10, people. She say stew chicken, white rice.
This rice actually tastes way better than when I cook it in the rice cooker. Thank God.
Yeah, she said, thank God. So my time them the easier way out is not the best way. Because when I cook the rice on the stove, get a better steam. To me, that's what I think. Comment down below what you think so far. You see me? Just comment down below what y'all think.
Very tasty. Very flavorful. Yes, my credit.
Oh, my first man is Missy Cook, and I didn't own critic. Yeah, people, seriously. First man, Missy Cook them food, and them are the own critic. Yeah, some shit like that. Don't get what I say already. So, I will say, oh, she rate herself, and then I rate her. Me, what would I rate her right now? You can serious. I like how she prepare the meal. Straightforward. So, Moda give her 8 out of 10. You can comment down below what you give her, people.
So, gravy is on point. Rice is soft. I'm gonna taste the Irish and carrot. They actually cook as well. So, enjoy. Thank you guys for letting me teach you how to cook stewed chicken the right way. My way.
Yeah, so people, so that was Shenseea in the kitchen. In the kitchen with Shenseea, people. So, remember, kitchen reaction, general boss, whatever, etc. We soon find a name for it. I don't know. Only can just stick a name on it. Reaction, kitchen reaction. Comment down below and stick a name on it, people. You see me? So, only can stay tuned next week to see which one of the artists we are going to dig up. Which one of the artists we are going to see in the kitchen next week, people. So, I don't know, so I reach the end of my video. So, remember, don't do the end of the video. Just like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend and another friend. And 3 more friends. You see me? Anyway. Until another video. Peace out. Shenseea, big up yourself. Wanna make Shenseea see that video here? Yeah. Shen Yang. And speedy recovery, Shenseea. Yeah.
You don't know, says Jordan Mars representing for Henry and the Soul 5 family. I just want to tell everybody to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Life as a Jamaican Chef. He posts a whole heap of dope content, he posts recipes, he posts a whole heap of things that you need to go check out. So just subscribe to him YouTube page, Life of a Jamaican Chef, and just give him a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, everything. Big up.
Yeah. Take a look at the world.